What the hell I'm doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong here. Hey there, welcome back. I am David Cordero and you are watching Pass the Guitar Live song tutorials. In today's video, we're gonna cover Creep by Radiohead. And if you like the content we bring to you in this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and you're gonna be all set. With no further ado, let's dive right in. All right, first things, let's go over those chords. We'll use E major, G sharp major, bar on the 4th fret, A major, and A minors. But before we move on, I have to say something. If you want to play along with Radiohead, you're gonna have to use a capo on the 3rd fret. It's rhyming, haha. Well, for this video, I am not gonna be using a capo because I want everybody who's watching to be able to follow along and play along. So, no capo needed. Let's move on. Now we have the chords. Let's find out what strumming pattern we're gonna be using. So take a look at it. I know it may look intimidating with all of those notes written there. I'm gonna play it and you're gonna see and hear that it's actually not that intimidating. You ready? And if you feel like you already know, try to play along with me. Here we go. 1, 2 E and a 3 and 4. 1, 2 E and a 3 and 4 and 1, 2 E and a 3 and 4 and down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Doesn't sound that complicated, right? So let's use E major to plug in that strumming pattern. But if you still don't feel very comfortable, just play with the open strings or mute it, do whatever you want, but focus on your right hand because strumming pattern is on your right, or if you're left-handed, on your left hand, obviously. Here we go, E major. 1, 2 E and a 3 and 4 and 1, 2 E and a 3 and 4 and 1, 2 E and a 3 and 4 and down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. There you go. Now we have the strumming pattern. Let's move on to the parts of this song. And this song is pretty traditional. We have the usual suspects: intro, verses, choruses, and bridges. But this song is so special. It's such a great choice to start playing because it's a fantastic 90s hit, but also because for all of these parts, we're gonna play the same chord progression, and it's this one here underneath. As you can see, there are 8 measures here, and this is what I call an 8-bar phrase, which means that every time you finish playing the 8 measures, you go back to the first one again and just go over the same thing. Nothing ever changes, which makes it a lot simpler to play. So, first measure we have an E major for the full measure, followed by another measure, full measure of E major. I don't know if you guys noticed, but we're going in doubles. Like after the E major, we're gonna have 2 measures of G sharp major. So, second one. And after that, 2 measures of A major. Another one. And ending with 2 measures of A minor. Second one. And then after that, it's right back to E major, and then the whole thing happens again. So feeling good, let's plug in that strumming pattern and see how this progression sounds with it. 1, 2, E and a 3 and 4. 1, 2, E and a 3 and 4 and 1, 2, E and a 3 and 4 and G sharp, 2, E and a 3 and 4 and 1, 2, E and a 3 and 4 and 1, A major, 2, E and a 3 and 4 and second measure of A major, a 3 and 4 and A minor, 2 E and a 3 and 4 and 1, 2 E and a 3 and 4 and there it is, the full chord progression that repeats over and over, and we're gonna use in all the parts of the song. Don't believe it? All right, let's go over it. Let's play a verse, a chorus, and the bridge, and you're gonna hear the same chord progression with the different parts of the song. Here we go. 1, 2. When you were here before, couldn't look me in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather. There it is. That's a verse. Still don't believe? That's okay. Let's go over that chorus, that famous chorus. 1, 2, but I'm a creep. 2, a 3, and 4, and I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong, A minor here. I don't belong here. That's the chorus, same thing as the verse. But just to confirm that everything I said was right, let's go over the bridge. 1, 2, E and a 3 and 4 and she is running out the door. She's running out. She run. There you have it. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you really liked it. But hey, if you want to explore this song further and to get so much more, you have no idea, join us over at passtheguitar.live. Click on this video for more information about our community, or just head over to our website, www.passtheguitar.live. My name is David Cordero, and I'll see you on the next video. 1, 2, 3.